Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to display the file extension on your Windows 11 computer guys. For that, go to search menu and type file explorer option. Here comes up file explorer option guys. Search for it and click open it. In here you need to select the view tab over here, and inside of it you just need to scroll down a little bit. Hide extensions for known files, you just need to uncheck the box over here, and after unchecking the hide extension for known files types, you just need to apply and OK. Restart .dll file .exe file, for example, like this will be shown here guys. After uncheck the box that hide extension for known file types, that will actually show the DLL file and .exe file that will shown over here guys for any file or folder in here. And in text document also it will show the text like this .txt. That's it guys for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.